talking about the question of how far something has gone, and how far something is from where it started. So we'll start out with just some definitions here. First definition, position. Simply put, the location of an object. Now, here's the wacky part. The symbol that we're going to use for position is just the letter X, not P. We're going to use the letter X because we're going to be talking about an object traveling horizontally, left and right. So we're going to relate it to the x-axis of, try to give you some sort of connection to what you may be familiar with in math class. All right, then we have this quantity called distance. Symbol, lowercase d. We're going to be using units of meters. And we have this other quantity, displacement. Sound a lot alike, but not interchangeable. They're not really the same thing. First, the definition for distance. How far an object has traveled. Displacement, however, is how far an object is from its initial position. And as it was indicated, sometimes the displacement can be negative. Distance was always just a number, a value, but displacement, it mattered where the object wound up, whether it wound up in front of or behind its starting point. And that's why the symbol for displacement is the lowercase d with the arrow over it. The purpose for that arrow is twofold. First, it tells us, oh wait, that's not regular d for distance, that's the other one, displacement. And also, the arrow reminds us that direction matters. That for displacement, direction matters as well. Oh, fudge. That's because displacement is a vector quantity. You seen Despicable Me? My daughters love that movie. The bad guy in the movie is a guy named Vector. And he even explains at the beginning of the movie, it's a mathematical quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Oh yeah. No, nothing. But that's what a vector quantity is. The direction has to be included. And for the purposes of our class, we can just get away with saying a positive or negative direction, left or right, east or west. And one last thing. Oh, a plain old quantity like distance is called a scalar quantity. So I'll put up here, distance is a scalar. It's just the number.